Stay tuned to see how I DIY'd these hand soap containers. To start off, I am going to cover the bottom of the hand soap container with this black marble paper. I'm going to do the same thing on the other container, just using the regular white and gray marble contact paper as well. This is a step that you can skip if you want to go ahead and glitter the entire soap container, but I thought it would add a nice contrast. Now comes the messiest and honestly most fun part of this project, is glittering the rest of the bottle. I just went in with a gloved hand and spread the Mod Podge all over the top portion of the bottle that does not have the contact paper, and I'm using this really flaky, really pretty black glitter for this one. And oh, look at how shiny and great that is. And I am just literally spreading this all over the areas that I Mod Podge. Make sure that you only add the Mod Podge to the areas that you want to have glitter. If it gets onto the contact paper, simply wipe it off. And then also make sure that you lay down a tarp or like a piece of paper to catch all that excess glitter. Then you'll repeat the same process using this holographic silver glitter. It is so shiny, you guys, like in real life. It is so pretty. I'm using the same method of just adding the Mod Podge with my finger and then sprinkling the glitter over top the Mod Podge. Now, surprisingly, a little goes a long way. So if you actually lay down like a paper, which I used a piece of cardboard, but if you lay down a piece of paper, you can actually just continue to reuse the glitter that you pour out of the container. Save any of the glitter that you do not use, because you can use it in many different projects. Once it dries, go back and add a second coat of Mod Podge just to make sure all of the glitter stays on the bottom. And here are the finished DIY glitter soap containers. I think they came out so well. I love how shiny they are. I love the glitter. I love the texture of both glitters. Both of them are completely different. One is more of a confetti style, and the other one is just this really nice circular shaped glitter. But in person, they look even better than this. So I definitely suggest that you make these two soap containers. And if you don't want to be as messy as I was with my application, you can always add the glitter into the Mod Podge, stir it, and then paint it onto your containers. Thank you for joining me for another video this week. I really hope you guys enjoyed seeing me play in glitter this week and glitter up these soap containers. If you guys decide to make your own DIY glittered soap containers, please tag me on Instagram at haiku_creations. Make sure you like this video, share it with a friend, hit that bell for notifications, and subscribe to the channel. Leave me a comment down below and let me know something you would like to see me glitterify. I want to do many more projects with this glitter because it is such a fun glitter to work with. Wherever you are and whatever you're doing, I hope you're having a great day, and always keep creating. All right, love you guys. Bye.